Hey everybody, Aaron the Handy Outdoor Nerd. So it is that time now to harvest my potatoes. I've got the family with me. I dumped to check one out. I started pulling them out and found some good ones. And I'll show you what the plants look like. Even with watering, they wilt and die, and that is a sign of being ready to harvest. What you'll do is you actually reach down in there and see if you can find some potatoes. And see, all of them are wilting. So that is a sign of them being ready to harvest. Here is my first little mound dumped. You can actually see some potatoes there. There is my big potato that I pulled out first. So, and you can see all the roots in there. So yes, they are not big, huge potatoes, but these are actually small potatoes anyway that I planted. So I wasn't expecting huge potatoes. So I'm gonna dig in and start harvesting these potatoes. So you can see these ones here, that there are big ones and small ones, and all I gotta do is just pull. And the roots will stay attached. Some of them I just break them off. Now, this size one I can keep, or I can turn into a seed potato. This one I will turn into a seed potato itself. So ones I'm going to put into seed potato into here. And this one, I'll decide later whether I want to do it or not. But with the ones that I'm going to at least try to keep or see, I'll put in the bag. So here we go. Let's dig a little more. All right, so all right here is from my one pile. Now I gotta get this dumped out and gone through. So here we go. All right, now it's tipped over. This is the very bottom, and you can see my potatoes I already have sitting right there. So I'll do the same thing, dig through with my hand. Pull these little guys like this out and put these with like seed potatoes and see if those will start. All right, so this is my second big one. I'll be emptying. Got one more small one there. So same thing with this one. I'm gonna dump it, sort through. You can put up onto the pile. All that will get mixed in. All right, so same thing. I'm going to dig around in it. This one actually, plant that was right here on this side, I believe, was a bigger potato. So I want to see how that actually turned out. If I get a nice bigger one, or if I'm going to get just small ones. All right, so you can already see this one is a little bit different, and I believe this is to the bigger potato on this side. Thank you. Little man's helping me pick potatoes. Nice size. So this one I'm not gonna get a lot out of, but I mean, I've got these ones. I only planted one of these. It's not bad. So let's go ahead and dig into, check out the other smaller potatoes. the last one got tilted over. And do the same thing. I'm gonna add it all to the pile. Okay, so these ones right here is about 6 pounds, 12, 13 ounces. And this is almost a pound. Big one really helps. I did not weigh a lot of the seed potatoes that I set aside for it. Some of these will probably be seed potatoes. But in here, I've got them in my office now. I'm going to have to spread them out. They're going to be in a dark spot. They're going to be under my desk in a spot. So they need to set for 2 weeks in a cool, dry spot. And they need to be, fairly dark. So under my desk is a fairly dark spot. I will make a little setup for it so they have good airflow, not in the bag. And that's what I'll do. And this is the seed potatoes for that one that I just showed you that's over 6 pounds. All right, so that is it. Those are the potatoes that I picked today of the ones I planted 3 months ago, almost to the day. So yeah, it takes about 3 months to have them completely finish growing. You'll see them kind of wilt away on the stalks of the plant. That's a good giveaway on if they're about done or not. And I've got some red russet potatoes, the ones that I only have a very few amount that I will put in there. And I've got a bunch more sweet potatoes. Actually, I'm trying them from the chits themselves. So that's an interesting way to do it. So I'm hoping that will work out and that I'll get a bunch of sweet potatoes. So here's to hoping, and I'll keep you guys updated. So until then, take care, and I'll catch you later. Bye.